Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unlock new islands and fish at Roblox. Now, if you're just starting the game, you'll begin on the first island where you'll learn the basics of fishing. The main goal here is very simple. Catch fish, sell them for coins, and upgrade your gear. As you keep fishing and earning money, you'll gradually unlock the ability to travel to new islands that have rarer fish and better rewards. To unlock new islands, the most important thing you need to do is level up and progress through the game. Each island usually has a level requirement, so the more fish you catch and sell, the faster you'll gain experience and unlock the next locations. For example, early areas unlock pretty quickly, while later islands require much higher levels before you can travel there. Another key part is getting a boat. Once you unlock boat travel, you can start exploring other islands across the map. Boats allow you to move between different fishing locations, and each island has its own unique fish species that sell for more than than the starter area. As you progress, the islands get more challenging, but also much more rewarding. Some islands even include special quests, NPCs, or limited time events that can unlock exclusive fish, gear, or rewards. So, if you want to unlock islands faster, focus on catching and selling as many fish as possible, upgrading your fishing rods, and leveling up your character. The better your gear and the higher your level, the quicker you'll be able to explore new areas and discover the rarest fish in the game. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.